In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of your Google Pixel phone constantly restarting. By following these steps, you will be able to identify and potentially resolve the underlying cause of the problem. Start by restarting your phone in safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. Next, tap and hold the restart option until you see the reboot to safe mode prompt. Confirm by selecting OK to boot your device into safe mode. This mode temporarily disables third-party applications, allowing you to determine if an app is causing the restarts. Once your phone is in safe mode, use it as you normally would and observe if the restarts continue. If your phone does not restart while in safe mode, it may indicate that a third-party app is causing the issue. To resolve this, you will need to remove any recently installed or suspicious applications. Navigate to Settings on your device, then select Apps to view the list of installed applications. Review this list and identify any apps that could be contributing to the instability. Uninstall these applications by tapping on them and selecting Uninstall. After you've removed the problematic apps, restart your phone normally to see if the issue has been resolved. In the event that your phone continues to restart even after removing apps, you may need to perform a factory reset as a more drastic solution. Begin by going to Settings, then select System. From here, choose Reset Options. Tap on Erase All Data and carefully confirm your choice. Keep in mind that this action will erase all data on your device and restore it to its default settings. Therefore, it is crucial to back up any important files or data before proceeding with this step. After the factory reset is complete, your phone will restart and prompt you to set up as a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This reset can effectively resolve deeper system issues that may be causing your phone to restart unexpectedly. Once the setup is finished, monitor your device to see if the restarting problem persists. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.